Good day, sir. I am Elison and Salazar from second year Alpha. Now I will make a reaction video about the six video in the YouTube. So the number one is yung suspect sa paglason sa executive producer. So dito the is this report hits close to home, highlighting a suspected poisoning in the Philippines involving a high-profile individual tied to the production of the globally anticipated series Three Body Problem. What struck me most was the gravity of the allegations. Isn't just a tragic incident. It's a case that intertwines entertainment, crime, and public outrage. The call for death penalty by some parties adds a layer of ethical and legal tension. It raises important questions about the justice and how high-profile cases are handled under intense media scrutiny. scrutiny. So sa pangalawa naman po is committed murder by insulin. So this documentary was deeply disturbing. It focuses on a man who used insulin, a substance meant to save lives, to become used to murder. What fascinated me was how the weapon of choice is something trusted and medically vital, making it all the more deceptive. The show also does a good job of breaking down how insulin can be misused and how investigators piece together the evidence. It's a grim reminder that knowledge in the wrong hands can be deadly. So the next is the KGB killing who poisoned Alexander Litvinenko. Litvinenko. So this is arguably this most politically charged and internationally significant case on the list. The story of Alexander Litvinenko is like something out of a spy thriller, except it's terrifyingly real. The documentary's representation of how radioactive polonium 210 was used as a weapon is both fascinating and horrifying. It's a story of betrayal, espionage, and international power plays. What hit me hardest was how long the victim suffered and how the traces of polonium left a radioactive trail across London. The next is deadly and undetectable poisons. So this video took me a more scientific and educational approach. Hank Green breaks down some of the world's most lethal and stealthy poisons, from resin to dimethyl mercury. What makes me this video so impactful is how it bridges real crime with scientific insight, showing just how easily some poisons evade detection. It was eye-opening to learn how even seasoned medical professionals can miss the signs. The video encouraged awareness, not just fear, by explaining how these poisons can be detected with the right tools. So in the next is serial poisoners targets innocent lovers. So this episode explores the story of Reverend Dwight Moore and the shocking dis- discovery that someone was deliberately poisoning him. The emotional weight of this story is heavy. What makes it especially unnerving is how personal the crime is. It's not just about power or politics. It's about twisted affection and manipulation. Watching the responders work through a medical mystery with life or death consequences added a real sense of urgency and suspense to the case. So the last is the milk tea death case closed. So the milk tea death case was brief but impactful in what seemed like an everyday mundane situation. Drinking milk tea, two people suddenly fell ill and one tragically died. The fact that it happened so quickly and so publicly shocked the nation. This story stood out because it underlined how easy it is for poisoning to occur in public spaces without immediate detection. It also sparked a conversation about food safety, public health, and the importance of fast, accurate forensic investigation. And that's all. Thank you, sir.